Okay, I will make my first attempt at a custom pop socket. These are just ones I got for cheap, and you won't be able to see the background. So it'll be perfect for custom projects. Custom pop socket. I'm going to use E6000, and I have these in different sizes, if you can see. And it takes this. This gets really hot. Today is the first time I've actually got this out to try it out. So let's see how it goes. Have to bear with me. I know you can get the E6000 at the craft stores. You can get it at Walmart. And I got like a whole bag of these different stones that I'm going to use.
Those are pretty, Mama.
Thank you, baby.
Can you make me one?
Mm-hmm.
I want the one that...
And this does dry clear. This is great for jewels.
Mama, that one, I want you to put it in the middle and beat around mine.
Mm-hmm.
Can that one be mine?
Well, let's remember, I'm just my first time trying this.
Mm-hmm. But then can you put beads around it? Can that one be mine with beads around it?
We'll say, darling. Can let Mommy try making it first.
Mommy, I'm watching you.
You are.
Because that's how you put glue.
Doesn't take much. These gems can be used for making jewelry also. Of course, I would drop one. There is those. I think I want to add some more of that size, maybe. Maybe 4 more. You can just add them wherever you want. one more. This will dry, I'll clear. Now we're going to use this. I just opened it today and I've actually had it for months. And today's the first time ever getting to use it. I'm going to place them on the outer edge while the other is drying. So you place the stone where you want it. And this came with multiple different tips for different size of the jewels.
Mama.
And you're going to hold it straight up and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds.
Mama. You know where yesterday I hit my head on the fridge? It still hurts when I touch it.
Well, y'all know, but running through the house, especially the kitchen, that is going to happen. It came with this came with this little wax, little pencil to pick the stones up, which is very helpful. You want to be careful not do it too much, because this is hot and it would probably melt the pop socket. Well, there is 3. I'm going to go around the edges first. So I have my stones all the way around. It's a little time consuming. And then I added a few more of these stones with the E6000. And then I'm going to add some pearls with the glue. And these have they're flat on the back. They're like half a circle. And I have all different sizes, so I'm just going to start putting some of this glue, thinning out. I'm going to use this little wax pencil to add them on there. And I'm just going to get different colors, or not different colors, but different sizes. And if you hear the background, I have children right in the room next to me watching Netflix.
And Mommy, I make them play things.
Yes, and I have one making her own project. Because when I craft, they want to craft too. I'm loving it so far. Add me a little more glue. You can just place them wherever you want and how you want. I don't think there's any wrong way to place them on, really. Some more glue. It does not take but a little. Just a little. Because you can spread it out a long way. If you like crafting too, I would like to know. You can comment on the video. And look over, I got like one nail that I cannot get off. I have soaked it and done everything, so you'll have to look over my one crazy nail. smidgen more. Maybe one more tiny one. Now just let it dry and get any, that glue kind of strings a little bit. That is gorgeous. It's totally going on my phone. But there we took an ugly pop socket, made it to a blingy pop socket. And now I want to try a different one with some skull beads, so watch out for that video next.
Some markers colored in clay.
Custom pop socket. Went from ugly pop socket to a gorgeous blingy pop socket.